We envision a world where respect for nature isn't just an aspirational standard, but a way of life. A way of life carried on by the people who sow for us, sweat for us, and smile for us. These people are our farmers, हमारे अपने किसान, और हम हैं इनकी मेहनत के फल आप तक पहुंचाने वाले. हम हैं Organikriti. We are going back to our roots and bringing the goodness of authentic and certified organic spices, pulses, grains and millets direct to your doorsteps. Ingredients filled with purity, reminiscent of childhood nostalgia. Our farmers step forward and brave the elements of nature, bringing back the ancient Indian wisdom to grow a plate full of food for you. A plate full of ghar ka khana. Our search for the perfect ingredients has finally ended where it always began, home. Organikriti, growing food the way nature intended.